All right, so I've connected my serial board I/O to the breadboard prototype of the CPU board. I've just flashed the Propeller chip with an updated firmware, and now I'm going to hit this light switch over here, which is connecting, which is powering this socket, which my power adapter is connected to. So power on. Let's watch this thing boot. Okay. And this is really cool. We can see it now says VGA Victerm 100 where before it said TV. Okay, binary file load. Let's load up the 8K basic here. Okay. Starting address, I'm going to use the default, of course. Okay, and now that all caps memory size, that's showing that we're actually running the program. Here's a little Easter egg. If you hit A here, written for royalties by Micro-Soft. That's kind of interesting. Anyways, enter for the max memory. That does a memory test and configures BASIC to use all the memory you have. Enter for terminal width to accept the default, and I'm going to select yes for the sign function. Okay, and without the RAM disk expansion card, I'm showing that out of the 32K of RAM, I've got 244 bytes left after loading 8K basic with the math functions. Okay. So here's a new thing I learned here. So we show list, you can see the memory is empty, right? But if you do a control F1, we get a read text file, and this is really cool. This simulates a paper tape load using a text file that is sitting on the SD card. I typed in a bubblesort program in BASIC, and what I was doing is I was using an Altair emulator on my Windows PC, and then I saved the program to a notepad file. I put that notepad file on this SD card, and now when I hit enter, it's going to simulate a paper tape load, which is essentially just typing in the whole program from the input device. So here we go. Okay, now operation complete. I'm going to hit Control C instead of enter, otherwise I'd get a syntax error. But now we'll type list, and you can see the program's in there. Let's type run. Okay, it generates a list of 10 numbers that are randomly generated, and then it uses a bubble sort and sorts them. And that's it for now. Hopefully I'll get some more work done on the CPU board. Until then, thanks for watching.